Hi guys. So in this video, I wanted to talk about our native Perplexity integration available in the action section of our tools. Uh, it's simply a gateway to a Perplexity chat. So how it works is you will put in your prompts as you would in a Perplexity chat, and then it would carry out whatever functionalities you dictate it to do. And since Perplexity has access to real-time internet data, this is extremely helpful for your research functionalities or anything similar. In this video, I'll be majorly talking about two use cases. That is the finding about a company's funding information, and the second would be to finding any kind of specific news or any relevant information that we can utilize in our outreach or maybe in some further enrichments. That would depend on a case-to-case basis. So let's just get into it. First, I'll just show you how you can set this up. So let's create a brand new column for this. So go to add columns, action column, go to tools. You might find Perplexity available right here in AI enrichment, or you can also head over to web search and you'll find Perplexity listed right here. I'll just select Perplexity, and yeah, I'll just rename this column Perplexity. All right, and maybe pass some very simple prompt. What would be the temperature in Delhi right now? So the reason for this prompt is to simply check the live data capabilities of Perplexity, whether it's able to find this out or not. I'll just save this. This is just a trial one, so it doesn't matter what kind of row I'm running this for. Right? Okay, yes. So this is kind of like a proof that Perplexity is able to access the real-time internet data available. So let's just get back to the use cases that we had discussed earlier. For the funding info, this is a little bit of a complex prompt. What I have done here is first conveyed what my initial ask is. Then I've given some context as to what kind of steps Perplexity can follow to find whatever I'm asking for. And then I've given a output format. So in our case, that is the JSON output of company name, what funding round it is, the amount that has been raised, the funding date, key investors, anything that might be required from for an outreach or any kind of research purposes. I have also asked for the source. This is majorly so that Perplexity does not make some information of its own. This is something that I recommend to almost all of our users. Whenever you're utilizing any kind of AI tool, maybe ask for a source or reasoning in cases of creating content or something from GPT. In that case, sometimes it prevents hallucinations of any way or form. So let's just run this company funding info. First 10 rows should be ample. Meanwhile, I'll talk you through the company recent news prompt, very similar to what we had set up in the funding info. Initial ask, then what steps it should follow, and a format that it can utilize. So I'll just save this and run this as well. First 10 should work. Right, meanwhile, we have the results from the company funding info available. I'll just see this one. Bugworks research funding round series P1, amount raised. Almost all information is available along with the source mentioned right here. And for the second use case, let's just check this one. Okay, company name Univ Labs, news, the news piece, a summary, and the publication date, as well as all the source links are available right here. So these are two use cases that you can implement on Perplexity. They will most probably be available as templates as well. So do import them into your grid, play around with them, maybe create some prompts of your own. Reach out to us on our community channel if you have any questions, and do subscribe. Bye bye.